Okay, so first things first, we need to have a quick talk about what the multiplication sign means and how we can think about it. What does this sign mean? Well, there's actually quite a lot of different understandings of this sign. Let's have a look at some of them. Sometimes we think of it as multiplied by. Sometimes we think of it as times. Sometimes people talk about it as lots of. The most helpful way to think about it at this stage is groups of. When we see something like this, three times 4 equals, let's think of that as 3 groups of 4. When we think of it in terms of groups of, it's going to help us to understand it in terms of something that's a bit more real or something that we can touch. 3 groups of 4 is something that we can think of like this. That's one group of 4. That's 2 groups of 4. And this is 3 groups of 4. That's one group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4. As we move forward, we're going to be using the words groups of a lot in our multiplication learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.